Hey everyone! Today, let's explore the Unity universe and uncover a game-changing tool, vibrant icons. Ever find yourself lost in Unity's sea of simple icons? Navigating through a repetitive landscape can be a real challenge, right? Well, fear not. Vibrant Icons is here to rescue you from the monotony. Adding scripts has never been easier. Simply drag your scripts or entire folders straight into the Vibrant Icons window, and voila! Experience the convenience and efficiency firsthand. But what if you're dealing with a large number of icons? Not to worry! Vibrant Icons streamlines the process, allowing you to enhance your icons in bulk, saving you valuable time and effort. Effortlessly manage large batches of icons with ease. With Vibrant Icons, customization is key. Modify your icons with ease. Adjust their colors, switch between dark and light modes, and personalize to your heart's content. But wait, there's more. Vibrant Icons isn't just user-friendly, it's easy to navigate. Say goodbye to cluttered interfaces with its smooth and intuitive design. Changed your mind? No problem. With just a single click, revert back to default icons or clear your customization list, giving you the freedom to experiment and explore. Enjoy unmatched flexibility and experimentation. Attention, developers and designers. Vibrant Icons isn't just about looks, it's a powerhouse of functionality. Customize icons and layouts to perfectly match your project's unique style and requirements. Tailor your icons and layouts to perfection, ensuring seamless integration with your project's vision. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay tuned for further updates.